Now we can discuss about personal services business ideas, that is part 12, that is sustainable landscaping. What is sustainable landscaping? My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is See Your Needs, that is SEEYOURNEEDS, no commas and spaces and no capital letters, all are small letters only. One in YouTube search string, if you type it SEEYOURNEEDS, search See Your Needs, if you type it you will get everything. So now we can go into the subject of sustainable landscaping, that is personal services business ideas. Sustainable landscaping uses strategies to avoid negative environmental problems like runoff, storm water runoff, drinking water pollution, and invasive species propagation. Sustainable landscapes often feature shade structures and bike racks made from reclaimed materials, wireless irrigation systems, native grasses, and large open areas for sport and leisure. That will be considered as a sustainable landscaping. It is also most important. So, in every home, independent home, one water will come from your water tanker in your colony, but it will come to your sump only, but not to top. Again, you have to use a motor. That motor will pick up to 2 states or 3 states also, and the storage will be done. By that, at the time of storage, in third stage, storage is done means if it is excess water is going on means it will be wasted out. So all these sustainable landscaping is most important. By that, you should take care of one person to do all these things. Mm, you can engage a person for, you can give it to a contractor about how to overflowing water, how to stop. Auto stopping of the water is also required for with your power generator, with your water generator also, water storing motor also. And another thing is, and likewise, so wastage water will going where and how it will be settled, and drainage system is how you are, suppose for every couple of years, it is better to clean your drainage also in a comfortable way. So for that also you have to keep up in your diary, or otherwise in a phone book, about drainage cleaners also will be there. It is better to, for every couple of years or 3 years, if you engage, that means they will clean everything, their boys will come themselves and they will clean everything, and they will clean the water and the waste water and everything they will clean, and they will go. It will be around, their work will be around 2 hours, but you will enjoy 3 years comfortably without bad smells and all these. And always please concentrate on your uh, drainage boxes also, lids also, those also should, sometimes it will be leakage and split out will be there. All these things you should think over and you should engage, and otherwise personally go to hardware showroom and get comfortable lids and purchase it, and it is good for everything. It is a regular process, not one day or 1 year. Likewise, suppose one split of lid is there means go to hardware shop with your helpers or something and get the correct, measure the size and get it a very good lid to your drainage pits and all these. And as well as drainage cleaning also, it should be done for every 2 or 3 years. It is very good for comfort to you without any bad smells and all these. And as well as landscaping is also most important. Sustainable landscaping and drainage system and gardening, and as well as landscape with green garden, everything is important for you. If you set your environment well means you will be well in always mentally and physically also. So I am saying to suggesting all of you, try to keep up landscape very well with particular drainage system and water processing system, and drinking water pollution should not be there, how it is coming, all these things also you should concentrate on that. Then only share your thought and implement to your workers and explain to your workers, and you will be settled very well. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.